got my dishes done. This is what doing the dishes looks like. So the campground's closed, but because I live in my camper and I'm a long-term resident, myself and one other person like me get to stay. As long as we're self-contained. There's no more bathrooms. And there's no more people. And I hope all of my lovely authors that I edit for are also using this time to write their books so that I can help them with them later. Because already the COVID virus has affected my contracts. So just like everyone else, I am affected, but I'm feeling incredibly blessed right now and very fortunate to be where I am, that I get to ride it out here like this in such a beautiful place. Side note, pasta cooks different here, way faster. Good morning. So we're supposed to get rain for a week after this. I didn't really want to move the camper, so I decided to throw the backpack on, grab my bear spray, and walk. See if I can get some fresh veggies, because I've been out for a bit, and some cheese, and some fresh bread, and then I can make grilled cheese sandwiches. So, should be interesting to see what town looks like. Okay, got some food. It's a little heavy. Check this out. Playground closed. It's so quiet here, it's crazy. All right, I've got a load of yummy food on my back. It's heavier than I expected. It's been a long time since I backpacked. But I found some fresh fish and bread and some yummy veggies and fruit. It's gonna be nice to have some fresh food. And I kind of like that I'm working for it. Can you see me up there? Right up there. Okay, you guys want a good laugh? I'm one of 2 long-term residents who get to stay. So I'm feeling super fortunate for that. But of course, the deal was I had to be fully self-contained. I'm like, sure, no problem, even if I have to dry camp. But it was still freezing temperatures when I came. So the camper's still winterized. And of course, the hot water heater was not filled or on or anything. So I got it into my pretty little head that I was going to hook up the hose and pressurize the system and drain the antifreeze and get the hot water tank lit, and then I'd have showers. So when we took the old toilet out to put in the composting toilet, of course you have this old line here that used to run to the toilet, and I had stuck this in there, but I certainly hadn't done a proper job of securing it. So as soon as I pressured the line, came in here trying to figure out what was leaking, bumped this, and the water just flowed out of here. Everything is all wet, and I've got a little bit of cleaning to do. And I have to figure out if I can get this to work. Otherwise, I don't know how to pressurize the system, cap the line somehow. That was an awful lot of water coming out of there really fast. And of course, I put my thumb over it. The pressure was intense, and I didn't have anyone to yell at, "Go, shut the water off." No, I had to let go of it, let it spout water like a broken fire hydrant, and run outside barefoot and turn the water off at the post. Fun and games of full-time RV living without proper preparation. Caught the halibut. There's still life out there. Those are a couple of the last employees on the campground, I think. Hopefully they get to keep their jobs for now. Look, I'm growing my own green stuff. I grew some sprouts. Hopefully these taste as good as they look. This is normally one of the busiest beaches in this region. It's a ghost town here. Low tide. Tide just turned. I'm doing okay, even if it is a little bit rustic living. Hoping I can still get that one leaky bit fixed so that I can have real showers. But this morning I just made a nice big basin of hot water and washed up and dumped it over my head, so I'm still clean. Someday I'm gonna have a real shower again and it's gonna feel like heaven. Big shout out to all the people who still have to go to work. Garbage collection, grocery store clerks, shelf stocking, truckers, pharmacists, and all those healthcare workers. My heart goes out to you guys, and I'm really grateful. I wish I could do more to help other than just stay away from everybody, but that seems to be the best line of defense and the best help I can give. So, stay healthy, everyone. stay home. Wash your hands.